Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming the way we work, and productivity tools are no exception. In recent years, a number of AI-powered productivity tools have emerged that can help you get more done in less time. Here are a few of the most promising AI productivity tools. Grammarly. Grammarly is a grammar checker that uses AI to help you write clear, error-free text. It can identify grammar mistakes, spelling errors, and typos, as well as style issues. Pro Writing Aid. Pro Writing Aid is another grammar checker that uses AI to help you improve your writing. It can identify a wider range of errors than Grammarly, including punctuation mistakes, sentence structure issues, and passive voice. Cliché Finder. Cliché Finder is a tool that helps you identify and remove clichés from your writing. It can also identify overused phrases and expressions. Grammarly for Google Docs. Grammarly for Google Docs is a Chrome extension that integrates Grammarly with Google Docs. This allows you to check your grammar and style in real time as you write. Hemingway Editor. The Hemingway Editor is a tool that helps you make your writing clear and concise. It highlights areas of your text that are difficult to read or understand. WriteSonic. WriteSonic is an AI writing assistant that can help you generate content, like blog posts, product descriptions, and social media posts. Jasper. Jasper is an AI writing assistant that can help you with a variety of tasks, including writing emails, creating marketing materials, and even generating code. Typewise. This keyboard learns your typing patterns and predicts the next word you're likely to type, so you can save time and effort. Zapier. This automation tool can help you connect different apps and services, so you can automate repetitive tasks and save time. IFTTT. This automation tool is similar to Zapier, but it's a bit more beginner-friendly. It can also be used to connect devices and services, such as your smart home devices and your social media accounts. These are just a few of the many AI productivity tools that are available. With so many options to choose from, you're sure to find one that can help you boost your productivity. Here are some additional benefits of using AI productivity tools. They can help you save time and energy. They can help you improve the quality of your work. They can help you be more creative. They can help you stay organized. If you're looking for ways to boost your productivity, I encourage you to try out some of the AI productivity tools that are available. You may be surprised at how much they can help you. Thanks for watching.